Power BI is an awesome software that comes with a lot of visuals from the box to create your dashboards. But sometimes you may need a specific type of chart or something new to spice up your report. So in this video, I'll show you how you can import new visuals into Power BI. Here I have a blank Power BI. There are two main ways in which you can import new visuals. The first one is to come here to the Visualizations tab. Here you have all your current visuals, and if you go to the last one, that's three dots, you'll click on it and you'll have the option to get more visuals. This will be directed through Power BI. Be sure to be logged in your Microsoft account. So let's click on that. This is the Power BI Visual Marketplace. As you can see, there is a filter for all the visuals already approved by your organization, and app source visuals. Let's go to all the visuals, and here you can also filter by category. So you can look for visuals that let you see change over time, comparison visuals, flows, filters, infographics, KPIs. There's a lot from where to choose. Day by day, Microsoft and independent developers keep adding more visuals for you to use. Now, let's see. I like this word cloud visual. When you click on one of these visuals, you'll have an overview of what it does, a section for ratings and reviews, and you also have different media showing examples of the visual, and you can directly add the visual to your Power BI, or you can download a Power BI file as a sample with the use case of the visual. I'll just come here and I'll click on add. Most of the visuals are completely free, but some of them needs a paid plan. Okay, so as you can see, we have this message that we've imported the visual successfully. Let's click on OK, and the new visuals will appear here below the default visuals. So I'll just click on it, and as easy as that, you can see that I can use this new visual. So this is a word cloud. I'll just choose some random category. Let's say maybe city, and I want to see a word cloud for the cities by the amount of sales. Okay, there we go. For the second way to import visuals, we'll go to this page right here, which is exactly the same marketplace but on the web. So you also have to be logged in, and it works exactly the same. You can look for any type of visual, you click on it. Here you'll have exactly the same data as before. You'll have an overview, ratings and reviews, details plus support. You can also download a sample, and if you click on get it now, in this case you'll download a file into your computer. To import it, we'll come to the same three dots as before, but in this time we'll use the second option, import visual from file. Let's look for the downloaded visual, and here it is. Okay, it just imported. I'll click on it. This is a radar chart, so it's fairly simple. It's also just a category and a value. So I'll use this subcategory, and my value will be also sales. All right, there we have it. And that's how you import visuals into Power BI. Thanks for watching, and if you got value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And here's another one if you want to keep leveling up your digital skills. Have a great one. Bye.